Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be packing up my stuff for college. I have so much stuff. I've been online shopping since quarantine started, and some of my clothes even still have the tags on them, but yeah, I gotta start packing. I leave for college in like a couple days, so I need to get started because I haven't packed anything. But y'all are gonna help me pack too because I just cannot do this by myself. So as you can see here, that's all the clothes that I've bought, and it's just kind of thrown over there. As you can see, some of the stuff still has the tags and stuff on it, so I gotta get the tags taken off, folded, and put in each of these suitcases. I also have a bag under here, and here is like my pile of jeans and stuff that need to be folded and put in suitcases. We also have got to get that stuff washed. That's my dirty clothes bin there, and everything in there needs to be taken with me as well. I also still have clothes in those bags there that I need to get folded and put in these suitcases. Mention the clothes that are in there that I need to get folded and put away. And then here goes the closet, which is just kind of a mess. So I gotta look through here as well. First, I'm gonna start with my jeans and stuff and the clothes I bought. I'm gonna show y'all some of the clothes I got from Shein because I got more stuff from there. But yeah, we gotta get started because I have so much stuff that I have to get put away. But this is all the new stuff that came in from Shein recently. I love that one. They're like the half sleeve shirts. I love those. And I got these cropped short tops in black and white. Yeah, I've been going like Shein crazy. I'm buying so much stuff from there. I just bought more stuff last week and shipped it to my apartment. But yeah, we're going to start with those clothes first from Shein. I also have more clothes over here from Shein. And we're going to get it into that suitcase. So I think all my tops, all my new tops and stuff will go in the little one. And then all my other stuff will go in the big suitcase. And we're going to do it that way. Okay, so I just kind of prop my suitcase up right here just to make it more convenient for me. So I can just like fold and just put it in there. This is really cute. This blue one, it's like a cropped shirt. Also very cute. This is from Shein too. I actually like Shein's clothes. They're actually really good quality. They don't feel too thin. So this is really cute. It's like a summer top because it's 100 degrees outside. So this is perfect. So these are the clothes I just recently bought. The tag is still on, and we're going to take the tag off because it's going to get worn, so we don't want to have tag on it and leave it on there by accident. I love shirts like this if y'all haven't noticed. I started buying some like fall stuff, and I bought this cute sweater from Forever 21, and it's like really cute. It's like a crop sweater, and it feels so nice. Because I've been buying a lot of summer clothes, but I also need to buy some fall clothes because like it's coming up soon and we want to make sure we have clothing for that. I think this suitcase has more than enough clothes in it, which I pretty much fit all of my new clothing in here, so that's done. Bag number 1 out of like a million is done. Just kidding. So suitcase number 2, I'm going to try to fit all those clothes in there. I'm also going to put those jeans, all those are jeans, into this one as well, so I hope they fit. Trying to figure out where to put my shoes. Peep the new Forces here. I was wanting a pair of these for a while, so got them. On the bright side, a lot of my clothes are still at my apartment. I've lived in my apartment for a year, but obviously Corona happened and everything got interrupted. Bring everything home with me, and thank God I didn't because I would be packing so much clothes. Y'all think I have a lot of clothes now. Wait till you get to my apartment, I have even more clothes. I don't know if y'all seen these shirts like this. I bought it in red. And I bought this really bright neon color in it as well. it back down, and obviously I can't put any of like my toiletry items like my toothbrush and stuff in these bags yet because I'm still using it. So I think like my toothbrush and stuff will go on like the front zipper of that, and then I'll put more stuff there when I'm done with everything. So I have decided that I'm going to put all my shoes that are here, I'm just going to put them in this big bag I found here. It has a zipper to it, so I'm going to throw all of them in there so I can get that out the way. I literally wear these Adidas shoes all the time. I cannot live without these. So progress so far. We got these bags done, and there's my shoe bag, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to put in here. So I decided that this bag will be a lot of my hair products. I don't use that many products, so everything should fit in here, and I think I'll put like more toiletry items in here as well, but mainly for my hair products and like skincare stuff will go in here. It's funny because you know how Shein like sends you individual bags for all the clothing items you buy. Well, I'm going to put my perfumes and stuff in these bags and just kind of conceal it so it doesn't spill. And I'm just going to like zip it. So now I am about to get those clothes out my dirty clothes hamper and wash them and get them dried. I've been packing for about 2 hours now. It's not too long, and honestly it hasn't taken as long as I thought it would because like I said, I didn't have a bunch of clothes to pack anyway, but we still got to get those washed, and I still have a few bit of stuff to pack. So I feel so much better now that I've gotten some stuff packed away, because it kind of just like creeped up on me. Like it's almost like I forgot I had to leave for college in like a couple of days and I hadn't packed anything. So yeah, I feel better now that some stuff's packed away. But I just feel like everything looks so much neater in here. Like before, clothes were just piled high on that dresser and on the floor. There's my coat. I'm gonna bring my coat too. And then I had my jeans like piled up high here, so everything looks cleaner in here as well. I've also got to pack up my ring light, which it shouldn't be too hard because it actually collapses, so that's got to get packed up too. In terms of school supplies and stuff like that, I don't really need a lot of supplies, probably like a couple notebooks because I already have pencils and stuff like that. And obviously I have a laptop, so I do most of my work on my laptop, so I don't need to buy a whole bunch of money or spend a whole bunch of money on school supplies. So whatever I need, I'll probably just go ahead and get that when I get to school. And I don't want to load my bags up right now in my car because I'm waiting for my clothes to finish washing in the washing machine, put them in the dryer, and then I'll put them in one of the bags I have here. So yeah, I'm going to wait till those clothes finish washing before I load the car up. That was pretty much it. I don't really have much left to pack because everything is already at my apartment. But that was it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video.